Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. We're about to head into Costco for our October Costco haul. I stocked up a lot last month before we went to the beach, and I don't think this haul is going to be as enormous as usual, but you never know. My helpers today are Levi and Renee. What? We could, but I don't need to. All right, gotta see what the kitchen aisles have for us today. Always fun to look, huh? Of course, they've got the Instant Pot. Duo Gourmet, that's the good one. $79.99. Ooh, a sous vide. I have an Instant Pot Gourmet, yes I do. Yeah, air fryers. More air fryers. Ooh, they have a different kind of Cuisinart 6.5 quart stand mixer. That's different. This one is 6 quart, and it's the lift bowl one. That is interesting. Oh, it's only $179.99. That's surprising, because that one's $379.99. Yeah, I know. It's so awesome. We do. Yeah, that one's silver, and that one's red. We do. We have a stick blender, and those are great. These are cute. Look at these cute. Look at these cute bowls with the little handles. I don't think we have room for it right now, but they're pretty cute. We still got the cute Pyrex. We do. Oh, these are. They lowered the price on these. They used to be $24.99, I think. I have a set. They're very nice. I have a set of those. Yeah, I got a bigger box than that though. That was a huge one. Renee had to come down the Christmas aisle. We forgot to go down the Christmas aisle last time, huh? Ooh, look at all that, Levi. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Oh my goodness.
I bought it.
Yeah, for real. Those things are popular. $70. These are cute. I like those. What? Cars? I don't see any cars. We'll keep looking. We'll keep looking for cars. Now we can get into buying groceries. The things we actually need, right? Oh, those are Halloween costumes. We don't need those. We already did. Are you so cold? Oh, let's see. Organic white mushrooms, organic brown mushrooms. Let's get these ones. Do you like baby carrots?
Yeah. Yeah.
Will you eat them?
Yes.
All right, I'll get you baby carrots. When we buy them, you can.
Tomatoes?
Nope, we got tomatoes at home.
Oh.
What does that mean? Those do look good, don't they?
Yeah, do those have eggs?
They do, yes. Maybe we could find some that a recipe that doesn't have eggs, so we could try to make those for you.
Oh.
Peanut butter cookies, yum.
Do those have eggs?
Yes.
Do those
Brownies usually have eggs. We don't need any Halloween candy. Nope, we don't need any Halloween candy right now. You want to eat a flashlight? No. Oh, these are cute, aren't they? You do? Oh, look at that decoration. That's cool. No, it's just a decoration. How about we get some chocolate chips for you to make your own cookies? Peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Does that sound good?
Can I hold it?
Sure, you can have it up here with you.
Mom, can I eat one chocolate at home?
You could probably eat one chocolate chip at home, yes.
Me and maybe one of them.
And what? A lot of them? And maybe a lot of them?
Yep.
Maybe. We'll see. What do you think about getting these little hummus cups? No? You don't want hummus right now?
Actually, yes.
It's like they're little cups so you could like take them to CC in your lunchbox.
Oh.
What do you think? Do you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay. All right.
Can I try it?
You can try some at home.
Wow, this aisle is busy.
This whole store is busy, girl. It's a busy day.
Whoa! Peanut butter.
Oh yeah, peanut butter.
Oh, that's the peanut butter.
Look at how expensive this bacon is. It's like doubled in price. I haven't seen these here in a while. I'm excited. Coconut aminos. I'll put it in. I don't want it to fall and break. Levi's discovered that he loves ramen noodles, so I got him some rice ramen. They don't have eggs. I'm almost certain they don't have eggs, but I'll check just to make sure. Nope, no eggs.
Oh.
And so we can make some with some good broth, and you can have noodle soup.
Can I eat them right now?
Not right now, at home.
Oh. Before we open this,
We'll open it at home.
okay. Are we going to open it at home right now?
Nope, we're not at home right now.
Oh.
What is this? Avocado chips, chili lime. Let's see, avocados, seasoning, vinegar powder. It has sugar and dextrose at the end.
Is that some more of those seaweed chips?
Probably not. They were kind of expensive.
What?
They were kind of expensive. Has 4 grams of added sugar per 1 ounce serving. But that's just crazy. Avocado chips. They have a new flavor. Barbecue. I'm going to get these. The other ones, even though they have a sugar in them, 0 grams of sugar per serving. But they're the barbecue flavor, and they are dairy free. Well, I shouldn't have said this was probably going to be a small haul. I think I jinxed myself. So what of the things that we got at the store today did you want to try first?
Plantain chips.
Plantain chips?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I have some right here, and I have some in your shade bowl.
In She's bowl?
Yeah, I want some right here. Did you?
You're welcome. Try it.
I'm going to try it for Nate.
So you want to try it with Renee? You've tried these before, so you already know you like them.
Yeah.
How many thumbs up?
1.
1 thumb up? How many thumbs up?
1 tip. 3.
3 thumbs up? What did you say, Levi?
I said 1.
What? 1 chip?
Yeah.
1 chip, 1 thumb up. So I have everything out here as well as on the table over here, and I'm going to start with the non-food stuff. Paper towels, toilet paper. Okay, these are more expensive than I thought they'd be. This added $50 to the bill. That was one thing that I forgot that was on my list that made it more expensive than I thought today. Grabbed a thing of parchment paper. This is my favorite. So I always like to have this on hand. And I got a big thing of baking soda as well. Now on to the food items. Renee, did you want to tell what they are?
Yeah, we got some avocados.
Okay.
And some baby carrots. And some bananas. And what is this?
Lettuce.
And we got some lettuce, and we got avocado spray.
Avocado oil spray, good.
And avocado oil.
Mm-hmm.
And lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And Thank you.
Mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms. And you know what this is?
No.
Coconut aminos.
Oh.
All right, now on to the island. Another thing that I forgot I had on my list was a few more like dry pantry items to stock up our pantry. Just emergency pantry type deal. And so that added another $50 to the bill that I had forgotten about. So I got 2 more packs of the chicken breast, canned chicken breast, and I got 2 more packs of the pink salmon. And that was $50 for all of that. Then back here, we got these little hummus cups for Renee. She doesn't usually eat a whole like tub of hummus fast enough, and she's the only one around here that likes it. So we got her these little cups, which I thought would be really convenient, easy to pack, all that. Got a big pack of kombucha for my husband, bag of chocolate chips for the kids' baking adventures, and maybe for Levi's peanut butter chocolate chip cookies that he thought sounded so good that he saw at the store. Then we got 2 of the Sugar House maple sausages that we love. I decided to grab a big thing of sauerkraut since I have cut out dairy. I kind of need more flavor, so I've been adding more things like this. I thought sauerkraut sounded like a good addition to some of my meals, so I'm going to be trying that. Got a big bucket of pickles, which we love. 2 packs of string cheese for the kids. They were completely out, so we really needed that. Levi has discovered that he loves ramen. We had some little ramen cups from Trader Joe's, and he loves them. So I grabbed these. They're just rice and millet ramen, and we can make our own with our own broth. So he's really excited about that. Double pack of pepperoni for the kids. It was painful to pay, what was it, $21.99 for the bacon. So expensive. I remember when it used to be like $11 or something like that. And I just got 1 pack. Usually for the month I would grab 2 packs, but it was so expensive I did not do that. Got a bag of the pork breakfast sausages that we use for my husband's breakfast sandwiches. I got 2 bags of the barbecue pork rinds. I haven't seen these at Costco before, and last ones I saw at Costco were the jalapeno cheddar, which are really good, but I'm not doing dairy right now, so I was excited to see that they switched to barbecue. I've had these before, but I don't really remember how they were, so I'm excited to try them again. They had the plantain chips on sale this month, I think for $2 off, and I feel good about feeding these to my kids. They're organic and they're cooked in coconut oil, so I feel like as far as junk food goes, it's a pretty good junk food, so I stocked up and got 4 of them since they were such a good price. And then last thing over here is organic sugar for the kids' baking adventures. The total that I spent today was $424.22. So that's pretty average for my monthly grocery hauls. So it would have been a little bit smaller of a haul if I hadn't gotten those couple extra things, the toothbrush heads and the extra pantry food. But with that, it brought it up to about what my monthly grocery hauls are normally from Costco. So I can't complain. That is it for our monthly Costco grocery haul. Thanks for going shopping with us, and we'll see you again in another video.
Whoa, big one! The big one.